What's up mga ka-vlogs? Welcome back sa YouTube channel natin mga ka-vlog. At kung bago lang pa kayo, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe and i-click ang notification bell para more updated kayo sa mga panibago kong i-upload mga ka-vlogs. At pakipalo na din sa Facebook account ko. So pataling messages, so makikita nyo naman sa screen dito po. At mamimigay po ako ng free Gcash kapag naging 4,000 subscriber mo tayo mga ka-vlog, no? So anong hinihintay nyo? Subscribe na at mag-screenshot kayo na naka-subscribe kayo at naka-follow na din kayo sa Facebook account ko. So madali lang, no? So mag-comment lang kayo sa video ko doon sa Facebook ko at saka dito sa YouTube para kayo ang mapili ko. Kung mabigyan ko naman kayo ng Gcash mga ka-vlog, sana po hindi kayo mag-follow and unsubscribe sa akin mga ka-vlog, no? So patuloy lang kayo dyan sa pagsuporta sa akin mga ka-vlogs. So ang pag-usapan naman natin about na naman ni Lunay versus Archie mga ka-vlog, no? Sa kalaban na ito mga ka-vlogs, kita nyo naman na ngiwi yung mukha ng kalaban mga ka-vlog. So sobrang lakas ng tipok ni Lunay mga ka-vlog, no? Maganda sana kung nakapaglaban silang Casimiro versus Donaire sana, pero kaso wala eh. So tingnan na natin yung video dito mga ka-vlogs. Let's go.
Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Everybody knows my name, shit. I'ma have this whole fucking game list, spitting with the same wit, and I'm gonna be famous. Ain't nobody able to delay this. Coming up, I had a vision to make it. Never wanted to be nothing, always wanted to play shit. Sit in class, always wondering why I love the same shit. How the hell am I different if we all know the same shit? I ain't never let them doubt me, it's about me. Keep my head down, let my mouth speak. They surround me, they all about the clout, see where the crowd be. Every time I speak loudly, they more about me. Man, you know I got a bounty on these lousy ass haters that surround me. So they doubt me, they don't know nothing about me. So their mouths free, I'ma change that soon. Better watch out now, see? I just wanna be the greatest, yeah. And I just wanna be famous, yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest, yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous, yeah. And I'm not playing any more games. Either put me on the charts or I'll put you up in flames. Better recognize art, cause I don't forget names. Should've seen me from the start, coming at you like a train. Think I'm about to fall apart every single fucking day. Seeing all these damn stars with my well-deserved fame. And I spit these gold bars while they spitting out shit. Man, I give this shit hard, but it gives me back pain. I wanna be a spectacle, they skeptical. But man, I got that chemical, exceptional. I do it all intentional, professional, so I can make that decimal incredible. I'm not thinking, man, they're saying that I've gone insane. I'm not ever gonna make it cause the game has changed. I'm not good enough, man, no that's not okay. Tell me that shit again and I'll stop your brain. I just wanna be the greatest, yeah. And I just wanna be famous, yeah.